Hi, I'm Timian from Group 6. Today, I'm going to introduce what is mind map. A mind map is a diagram for representing tasks, words, concepts, or items linked to and arranged around a central concept or subject using a non-linear graphical layout that allows the user to build an intuitive framework around a central concept. A mind map can turn a long list of monotonous information into a colorful, memorable, and highly organized diagram that works in line with your brain's natural way of doing things. Mind map is suitable to use for brainstorming and visualizing concepts, presenting and communicating ideas, graphic organizers and electronic notebooks, running meetings more effectively, outlining reports and documents, simplifying task and project management, and also writing essays.
There are a lot of advantages in using mind maps, which are boost creative thinking, helping to retain information better, increasing productivity, helping with time-effective revision, breaking down complex concepts, and last but not least, we can start a mind map under low cost and easy conditions. On the other hand, there are only 4 disadvantages in using mind maps. The first one would be, it will be easily get messy when there is too many ideas in mind maps. Second one would be, mind mapping is time consuming. It can take a lot of time to organize and plan out when dealing with complicated concepts. The third one would be, mind mapping usually not informational enough, as they are written in point form, which could lack of information sometimes, and this will easily confuse the readers. The last one would be, mind map require lots of work. Planning and creating a single mind map require lots of brainstorming and work, which is kind of tiring.
In our Beautiful Mind project, we have 3 problem statements. First, what is Markov chain and its definition? Second, what is the formula of Markov chain? Third, what is the application of Markov chain in the real-world problems? Next, we have 3 goals that need to achieve in the project. Goal number 1 will be understanding the basic concept of Markov chain and able to define the Markov chain. Goal number 2 is able to understand how to use the formula to solve the real-time problems. Goal number 3 is get to know the application of Markov chain in the real world.
Here is our mind map. Firstly, we'll need to define our chapter. What is Markov chain? Secondly, we'll need to figure out the formula learned in this chapter. For Markov chain, there are 4 theorems required that we have listed out. Thirdly, we'll proceed in drawing out their relationship linked to each other. Or lastly, we will then write down the overall concept for the whole chapter. An example can be listed out too for some revision in advance.
As a conclusion, mind map is quite important because it can increase one's understanding easily. You can try to prepare a mind map while you're trying to study a new chapter. At the end of the chapter, you'll definitely find it more easy to understand what are you learning about through this chapter. Mind map also helps in meeting, as when you are sharing your opinions verbally, it is hard to get people to understand what are you sharing about. So, with the help of mind map, people get to see it clearly and this will be much more effective.